Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the display language on your Windows 11 computer. First, right-click the Windows icon down on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, select Settings. On the left sidebar, go to Time and Language. Next, click on Language and Region. At the top, you'll see Windows Display Language. If you already have an additional language installed, like I have Slovak, you can simply choose it from this drop-down. If you don't have the language you need yet, scroll down a little until you see Add a Language and click on it. A new window will pop up titled Choose a Language to Install. Here you can search for any language you want to add to your system. I'll select Czech as an example. Click on it, then choose Next and complete the installation. Once it's added, go back to the Windows Display Language section. Click on the current language for me. It's English, and select the new one from the pop-up, in this case, Czech. And that's it. Your Windows 11 PC will now display menus, settings, and interface elements in that language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.